If you're feeling overwhelmed, anxious, or carrying too much stress right now, take a breath. In the next 6 minutes, we'll physically lower that tension. We're going to do this using emotional freedom techniques, commonly known as tapping. Think of it as a physical reset button for your nervous system. To get ready, sit comfortably, uncross your legs, let your shoulders drop, and take a slow, deep breath right down into your abdomen. Dedicating these first few seconds to posture and breath prepares you for the work ahead. It is the necessary starting point for bringing your focus back to the physical present. Now, gently scan your body. Notice exactly where you feel that tension sitting. Is it a tight chest? A knot in your stomach? A heavy feeling in your shoulders? Try to put a name to the emotion causing that physical feeling. Is it fear? Frustration? If you aren't sure, don't overthink it. Just call it stress. Rate that discomfort on a scale from 0 to 10, where 10 is the absolute worst. Go ahead and lock that number in your mind. Before we move through the main sequence, we must prepare your body with the setup. Take 2 fingers of one hand and find the outer edge of your opposite hand, the fleshy part below your pinky finger. This is the side of hand point. We are going to build your setup statement. The formula goes like this. Even though I feel this specific emotion in this specific body part, I deeply and completely accept myself. If full self-acceptance feels like too much of a stretch right now, that is completely fine. You can substitute the ending with, I'm open to accepting myself, or I choose to be kind to myself in this moment. Now, start gently tapping that side of hand point. Speak your statement out loud and repeat it 3 times. Go ahead. Verbalizing the problem without judgment changes your relationship with it. By acknowledging the stress instead of pushing it away, you begin to lower the internal friction that keeps that tension in place. Now we'll move through the main tapping sequence. You're going to tap 7 to 10 times lightly on 8 specific points, while repeating a short reminder phrase, like this stress, to stay focused on the feeling. This anatomical map shows the physical territory we'll be covering. We will trace a path from your face down to your torso and end up at the top of your head. Let's begin. Take 2 fingers and tap the inner edge of your eyebrow, right where the hair begins. Say your reminder phrase out loud. This tension. Move to the side of the eye, right on the bone at the outside corner. Keep tapping lightly. This stress. Now tap on the bone directly underneath your eye. Don't worry about being millimeter perfect. Tapping the general area is effective. Under the nose. Tap gently. Now move down to the crease of your chin. Keep your breathing steady. Next, find the spot about an inch below the U shape of your collarbone. Tap there, taking another deep breath into your abdomen. Move to the side of your body, about 4 inches under your armpit. And finally, tap gently in a circle right on the crown of your head. All right, stop tapping. Rest your hands in your lap. Take a deep, clearing breath in and let it out. Tune back into your body. Where is that physical sensation now? Rate your intensity again on that 0 to 10 scale. Even if your number only dropped by 1 or 2 points, you've just proven that you can consciously intervene and interrupt your body's automated alarm system. If your score is still high, your next step is to do another round of tapping, but adjust your reminder phrase to this remaining stress. If your score has dropped to a 2 or below, you are ready for positive reframing. You do this by tapping through the exact same points, but stating empowering choices instead. You might say, I choose to feel calm, or I am safe right now. Your brain simply cannot absorb positive affirmations while it thinks you are in danger. You have to quiet the physical alarm bells first. You just completed a full tapping cycle. You actively took control of your emotional state. These fMRI brain scans show us exactly why this works. The physical act of tapping sends signals directly into the brain's survival centers, shutting down the fight or flight response in a way that words alone cannot achieve. Instead of just using this as a last resort in a crisis, try adopting tapping as a daily 15-minute practice to build your baseline emotional resilience over time. Emotional freedom is the ability to regulate your own nervous system whenever you feel the pressure start to build. It is a reliable skill you can use to return to a state of calm wherever you are.